want to talk about two different things that I've recognized that I wasn't aware of when I very first started this. That way you can have a better understanding and be ready for these things to pop up on you as you're out doing your Amazon Flex deliveries. Let's get to it right now. The first thing to talk about is that when you are on an Amazon Flex route, the customers aren't always ready for you to come up to their home. Some people do keep close eyes on the tracking of their item, but not everybody. If you have 40 packages in your car, be prepared for 30 or so of those for customers who are unaware that you're showing up. They don't know why you're driving down their driveway. They may come out and ask you why you're there. I live in a rural area, and when I do deliveries, it seems like in the country deliveries and sometimes in town, that people are a little skeptical of me driving up their driveway. Thankfully, Amazon Flex has the vest for me to wear, so I can pop out and say, I'm with Amazon Flex. I've got a package for you. Never had any trouble, but I have had where a gentleman walked up and said, what can I help you with here? Why are you on my property? He was very kind after I let him know what I was doing. But if I didn't have an identifiable vest, I may have been in a little bit of a different situation. So when you're out on these routes, you need to be aware that customers are not always prepared for you to show up. Sometimes it's their children who have ordered a package. A lot of times it's a spouse and the other spouse is the one outdoors, so they're wondering who you are. I would highly suggest that putting a marker on the side of your vehicle, maybe delivery driver or an Amazon Flex driver, if you can get one of those magnets, maybe try to use that to make yourself more identifiable as you're coming up somebody's driveway delivering their package. I don't do this, but I'm really thinking about getting one of those because I don't need confrontation from somebody when I'm literally just delivering a package and only making a few bucks extra to do this kind of work. The other thing that I would talk about is
But
dogs.
Ovechkin has turned my
You've
dream.
seen several videos about people doing Amazon Flex being chased by dogs or maybe even attacked by dogs. I know a woman who's been bit by 2 or 3 different dogs because people, again, they don't know when you're coming and they don't put the dog away. And you step out of your car and all of a sudden there it is. That is something to be highly thinking about when you're out on these deliveries. When you pull into someone's property, if you see a dog, if you feel threatened, if there's an aggressive dog, you can actually go into your app and you can make that known to the company, Amazon Flex, about the dog being there. And I think you can actually deliver the package to another safe location if you feel uncomfortable, or you could return the package if it's so dangerous that you can't do that. But dogs are definitely on every route. Every time I go out, I get a few dogs come up to my car. I check to make sure the dog's not going to be super aggressive, and I make sure I just talk kindly to the dog, don't get too nervous, and I try to make my delivery happen. And I want everyone to be aware that this is a part of Amazon Flex. People aren't aware that you are coming. They don't put their dogs away, or they have their dogs out anyway, and you're in confrontation. So to be safe, mark your vehicles, wear the vest, be looking around when you go onto people's properties, and understand that these are the things that can be troublesome as you're out here doing delivery. I have actually thought about potentially carrying a box of milk bones for the dogs just to be kind to them when I do delivery. Thought that'd be kind of a cheap way to maybe make them happier when I show up and not so aggressive, because I do have dogs that are super aggressive on some of my routes. I actually had a large husky dog stare me down, and I could tell he wasn't going to back down. And I did not deliver the package until the owner came out, and she did none of it. She didn't try to put the dog away or anything. She just kind of smirked at me, came up, grabbed her package, and said, "Have a nice day." But this dog had its hair standing up, and I wasn't about to step on that property. So having maybe some milk bones probably wasn't going to feed that dog. But for other kind dogs and other dogs that maybe are kind of nipping and barking a little bit, but then if you give them a treat, they might be a little more kind to you. Just a thought maybe I might try that out. Who knows? Maybe I'll make a video about it. But people not being aware that you're there or that you're coming, and dogs. Be ready for those things on your Amazon Flex deliveries. I hope this video is helpful. You all take care.